So I want to add captions to my video here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Window, I'm going to go down to Text, and I'm going to open the Text panel. This brings me to, I've got Transcript, Captions, and Graphics. So to create new captions for my short little clip here, I'm going to do Create New Captions Track. I have several options I can pick, but I'm going to stick with Subtitle. I'm going to click OK. So that added my captions track. I went into transcript and now I'm going to transcribe the clips. And there's only one. So here we go. Now I need to input the captions. I'm going to hit CC and this should generate my captions. So here they are. I can zoom in and see them
easily from their iPad. What I'm going to do to add a QR code extension is go to my extensions, click Manage Extensions. I'm going to go to the Chrome.
Okay, so they're kind of hard to see, so I can edit them. And I'm going to edit them in bulk so they all come out the same. I'm just going to select them all. I just double clicked it and now I'm here. So I can change how they appear. I can do a shadow. I can add a background even. And maybe I'll even make this a little darker. Let's see. It's kind of goofy looking, but I can play around with it. I can also change the size. Ooh, whoa, that's way too big. But they're all going to look the same since I batch edited them. And that's how you put captions in.